Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be my pamper night, kind of like my spa night at home. I try to do this maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. I will have my husband put the girls down, and I like to open up a bottle of wine, and I just kind of like to focus on my skincare routine. I like to just relax, take a bubble bath, and just enjoy. Being a stay-at-home mom is a little crazy, and you don't really get a break from your mothering duties. So every once in a while, it's nice to just unwind and have a little quiet time alone. So right now, I'm just pouring my glass of wine, and then I'm going to head into the bathroom and start my bath. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and start it, and I'm going to be pouring in my CALGON lavender and honey bubble bath, and a little bit of this goes a long way. We just got this new tub and it's got jets in it, so when we turn the jets on, the bubbles end up getting really high. So I just like to use just a tiny amount. And then the first thing I need to do is take off all my makeup, and I'm using my makeup remover wipes here, and I'm just going to take off all my makeup and then get ready for my mask. So one of my favorite masks that I like to use these days is this Revive Gold one. I actually found it at Walmart, and it's just an anti-aging peel-off mask. I really like the peel-off masks. I don't know, I just feel like put it on, once it's dry, you know it's ready to peel off, and they're just so much easier. I don't really care for the charcoal ones that you have to rinse off. I do like the charcoal peel-off ones, but they kind of hurt really bad. This peel-off mask does not hurt, so I really enjoy this one. And don't get excited, I have a swimsuit on here. So after I hang out in the tub for a while, I like to put on my hydration body lotion, and I just put it all over. And this stuff, like out here in the desert, it is so dry, so this hydration lotion works so good, and it just keeps my skin hydrated for a few days. And I try to apply it every night, but I sometimes don't remember to. So after about 20-30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the mask. It's ready to come off. And like I said, this one does not hurt. The black ones hurt way worse. What's your guys' favorite peel off mask? I'm always looking for new ones, and I was really excited to find this one at Walmart, and let me know if you guys have any suggestions. And then the next thing I like to do is use my Wet n Wild lip scrub. Alright, next I like to apply my eyelash serum, and this is just a clear serum that you put kind of like where you would put liquid eyeliner, and this just helps keep my eyelashes conditioned, helps them look longer and thicker. I love that stuff. And then next I like to use my hydration serum, and that is just for my face. It's kind of like the body lotion, but this one is just for your face. If you guys are noticing a trend here, I'm obsessed with serums. And then the last thing I like to do is use these hydrating eye patches. These are the 24 karat gold ones, and I really like these. And it says to leave them on for like 10 minutes, but I just leave them on usually for like a half hour, or until I kind of feel like they're dried up. And then that is it, you guys. That is kind of my extra spa night skincare routine. I obviously don't do this every night, but sometimes it's fun to just pamper yourself and do a little extra every once in a while. And so now I just like to go in and sit down on the couch and get caught up on my YouTube. I usually watch a lot of Tati videos. I will post down below some of my favorite YouTubers that I like to watch, but I feel like this is my time to kind of get caught up on my videos and just relax. And Peyton usually comes up and sits with me. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my extra spa night pamper routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been wanting to do a video like this for a while, and I just haven't done it yet. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a good night. Bye.